Samsung might be rewriting its photography playbook with the upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra, as new leaks suggest a massive camera hardware upgrade is in the works. For the first time in the Ultra lineup's history, Samsung is rumored to be ditching its in-house ISOCELL sensor and opting for a high-performance 200MP sensor from Sony, a move that could redefine mobile imaging for 2026. The leak comes courtesy of trusted tipster Fixed Focus Digital, who shared insights via Weibo. If true, this partnership would mark a significant shift in Samsung's camera strategy and could reshape its competitive positioning against Apple, Xiaomi, and other camera-centric flagships. Magnifying glass tilted left. The sensor shift, why Sony's 200MP matters. The rumored 200MP Sony sensor isn't just a pixel bump, it's a 1/1.1-inch sensor, significantly larger than the 1/1.3-inch ISOCELL sensor used in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. That increase in surface area may sound small, but it can dramatically improve real-world image quality. Here's what a larger sensor unlocks. Crescent moon better low-light photography with less noise. Rainbow enhanced dynamic range and true-to-life color. Magnifying glass tilted left sharper details with improved depth perception. Gears smarter AI image processing with larger data sets per frame. Sony has earned a reputation for producing industry-leading smartphone sensors, used by brands like Xiaomi, Oppo, and Vivo to achieve incredible results, and Samsung teaming up with Sony could elevate the S26 Ultra's camera to best-in-class status. Handshake. Why Samsung might leave ISOCELL behind. Samsung has historically leaned on its ISOCELL technology, backed by aggressive software-based image enhancement including multi-frame processing, zoom cropping, and AI sharpening. While this has enabled crisp results, critics argue that the reliance on computational photography can sometimes sacrifice realism. A switch to Sony's hardware could solve long-standing issues such as overprocessed textures in daylight, inconsistent low-light detail, washed-out color tones in indoor settings. With a hardware-led upgrade, Samsung might finally match or exceed competitors who have leaned into Sony tech earlier. Warning not confirmed yet. Will Samsung actually make the leap? Despite the buzz, other reports indicate Samsung is still testing its next-gen ISOCELL sensors, and the company may not finalize a switch due to several factors. Money-bag cost of licensing and scaling Sony sensors. Wrench design challenges to fit a larger module without bulk. Counterclockwise arrows. Button supply chain concerns that could impact global launches. Samsung is reportedly working on new optics and compact lens technology to offset the physical demands of the bigger sensor, aiming to maintain a sleek profile without compromising power. Brain final verdict: bold gamble or strategic masterstroke? If Samsung embraces Sony's 200MP sensor, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could leap to the top of mobile photography rankings, delivering photos with richer detail, color accuracy, and low-light excellence. It would also mark a strategic alliance between two titans of camera innovation, Sony, the king of sensors, and Samsung, the leader in flagship hardware.